so true. Until the day I found you. You walked in and changed my world, like the ocean meets the shore. With every touch, with every sigh, you paint the stars across my sky. No more questions, no more fears. I am yours for all the years. Forever with you, I'll stay by your side. Through every storm, through every tide. No matter the distance, no matter the time, my heart beats only for you, my love divine. Your laughter is my favorite song. With you is where